Pleasant morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Maths class. In this conversation, we are going to discuss about homogeneous linear equation. So the last class and the day before the day class also, we have discussed about full and full non-homogeneous. In this conversation, already I have written example 1.35. Before moving to the example, first you have to understand what is the meaning of trivial solution. Trivial solution, three condition is possible. First condition, determinant A not equal to 0. If it not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. Then second condition, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. All the three term also will be 0. Then third one, rank of A is equal to rank of A with B. Both will be equal means what is the meaning? Unique solution. Three condition is possible, it is called trivial solution. First I am moving to example 1.35. First we are writing augmented term with O. Why am I writing O? Each and every constant term 0, isn't it? That's why I have written for argument with O. Write the equation 1, 2, 3, 0, 3, 4, 4, 4, then 7, 10, 12, 0, 0. So, augmented term means to reduce row echelon form. Row echelon form means when starting the non-zero digit under the two terms. So, R2 gives R2 minus 3 into R1. Again, R3 gives R3 minus 7 into R1. R1, 1, 2, 3, 0. Each and every time into 3, isn't it? Into 3, into 3. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 into 3 is 6, 4 minus 6 minus 2. 3 3s are 9, 4 minus 9 minus 5, 0. Next condition into 7, isn't it? Into 7. 1 into 7, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 2 7s are 14, 10 minus 14, minus 4. Next condition, 3 7s are 21. 12 minus 21 means minus 9, 0. Next, what we have to do? So, next, when starting the non-zero digit in second row, we have to show third term 0. What we have to do? R3 gives R3 minus 2 into R2, isn't it? Here into 2, here also into 2. R1, R2 as it is 1, 2, 3, 0, then 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0. Third row, there is 0, then 2 into 2, 4, here also minus, but we have common minus also, minus into minus plus. So, minus 4 and plus 4 means value will be 0, isn't it? Next one, here minus 5 into 2, minus 10 is there, here also common minus, so positive 10, minus 9 plus 10 means positive 1. Now, we have show the row echelon form. Now, this is called rank of A, then this is called rank of with B. Already I told you the first condition I didn't do it, isn't it? The determinant A not equal to 0. Second one, look at there, unique solution we needed. Unique solution, look at there, rank of A. So, rank of A we can say no, definitely. First row also not 0, second row also not 0, third row also there is one is there, no, not 0. So, rank of A is equal to 3. Then rank of A with B. A with B also the whole time comparing. Non-zero, non-zero, here one also non-zero row, no? This is non-zero row means this is also 3. Therefore, rank of A is equal to, rank of A with B is equal to 3. This is what is the meaning? Number of unknowns. The first condition is clear. Then second condition, what did I say? X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z also 0. See. So, 0 means the last condition considered for Z is equal to 0 means definitely we can say no, but this is the 0 condition, no need for your understanding. We can write no, minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 0 means if you equating Instead of Z0 means the total value will be 0. So total value will be 0 means minus 2y is equal to 0 means we can say y also 0. So Z also 0, y also 0 means the first condition x also 0. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. This is condition also verified. Then moving to one of the last condition, what did I say? A inverse exists. First we are trying to determinant A is equal to what is the value? Determinant A 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, positive 12. Signs conversion plus minus plus means what will happen? Signs conversion, determinant A is equal to plus 1 means 4 into 12, 46, then 10 into 4, minus 40, then minus 2, isn't it? Minus 2 means 3 into 12, 36 minus 28. Last condition, positive 3. 3 into 10, 30, minus 28. Now, so determinant A is equal to 46 minus 46 will come. Then minus 2 means 36 minus 28. So 8 will come. Then plus 3 means 30 minus 28, true. Therefore 6 minus 8, 2 into 8 minus 16, 3 into 2 positive 6. Now look at there, 3 into 2 6, 2 8s are 16. So definitely 6 plus 12, 12 minus 16 minus 4 will come, isn't it? Your book term also, what is the value is there actually? Determinant A term minus 2, isn't it? Sorry my dear, just I have confused. What is the value? So 46 minus 40. Sorry my dear, this is 48, isn't it? Because I confused. 48 minus 40. This is actually 8 will come. Here also 8. Now check it there. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 minus 16 means minus 2. Definitely it's not equal to 0. So determinant A not equal to 0 means definitely A inverse exists, isn't it? The first condition, it is inverse means definitely we can say it has so trivial solution. Okay, this is final answer for example 1.35. I will continue the next example. Okay, 1.36. Example 1.36. Solve the system. 3 equation is there. First we have to make it form correctly. The condition, already we know the constant each and everything, the 0 time, isn't it? 0 time means argument with the comparing O means what will happen? First one, 1 3 minus 2, 1 3 minus 2 0, 2 minus 1 positive 4, 2 minus 1 positive 4 0, then 1 minus 11 positive 14 0. So already starting also 1 is there. Augmented term means to reduce the row echelon form. So row echelon form when starting the non-zero digit. So what we have to do? R2 gives R2 minus 2 into R1. Then R3 gives R3 minus R1, because 1 minus 1 we will get 0. R1 as it is 1 3 minus 2 0. So each and every time into 2, isn't it? Into 2 into 2. So 2 1 into 2 2, 2 minus 2 0. 3 into 2 6, minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. So minus 2 into 4 minus 4. Here also common minus, so plus will come. So 4 plus 4, 8 is there. Next condition, there is 0. Here directly R3 minus R1, isn't it? 1 minus 1 0, minus 11 minus 3 minus 14. There 14 plus 2, so 16 will come. There is 0. Then next condition, here minus 7 is under the term we have to show 0. What we have to do? So R3 gives R3 minus 2 into R2, isn't it? So 2 into R2 means into 2 into 2. R1 R2 as it is 1 3 minus 2 0 0 minus 7 positive 8 0 minus 7 into 2 minus 14. Here common minus, so plus 14 will come. Minus 14 plus 14 means 0. There 8 into 2 16. So minus 16, isn't it? So minus 6, 16 minus 16, definitely there is also 0. So next condition, here also 0. See, look at there. This is not a trivial solution. Why? Definitely we can say the last row completely 0 row. So completely 0 row means definitely we have to first we have to get in echelon form. Echelon form means the first condition x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. This is considered for equation number 1. Second equation, minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. Consider for equation number 2. The last equation, 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0 means consider z is equal to any one time, z is equal to consider for t. Z is equal to consider for t means definitely we have to apply the method back substitution. Back substitution method. So back substitution method means, so substitute z in equation number 2. What will happen? Minus 7y plus 8t is equal to 0. Again minus 7y is equal to minus 80. So minus minus cancel. Therefore y is equal to 8 by 7 into t. That is called y value. Y is equal to 8 by 7t. So y is equal to say 8 by 7 by t. So substitute z and y value in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? X plus 3 y is equal to 8 by 7t. Then minus 2 into z is equal to t, minus 2t is equal to 0. Again x plus 3 into 8, 24, isn't it? Plus 24 by 7t minus 2t is equal to 0. Again common denominator 7 means what will happen? 7x plus 24t. Again 2 7s are 14, minus 14t is equal to 0. Again 7x, 24t minus 14t means plus 10t by 7 is equal to 0. Again cross multiply means what will happen? Minus 2t is there, 0 will come, isn't it? Listen. So cross multiply means 7x plus 10t is equal to 0. Therefore, 7x is equal to minus 10t means x is equal to minus 10 by 7 into t. This is called dx. So, see, look at there, each and every equation, one parameter solution. Here also t constant, here also t constant, here also t constant. Therefore, it has one parameter family of solution. What is the result actually? The final line. So, it has one parameter family of solution. Okay. So, I will continue the next example. 1.37, isn't it? I am moving to continue doing example 1.37, isn't it? So, solve this system. They have given 4 equation. First, we have to check it whether it's a trivial solution or non-trivial solutions. Already you know. So, trivial solution means first determine a value not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means a inverse exists. That is first condition. Then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 means it has a unique solution. Then we can say it is trivial solution. Let's move on one by one. Solution. First we have to write a document term with O. So, what is equation 1? 1 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3 positive 1, 2 minus 3 positive 1, 3 minus 7 positive 10, 3 minus 7 positive 10, 6 minus 9 positive 10, 6 minus 9 positive 10. Consider for 0, 0, 0. So, what will happen? So, augmented term to reduce the row echelon form. What is the meaning of row echelon form? When starting the non-zero digit, there already we have leading coefficient, leading term also 1 is there. So, under the 3 term we have to show 0. So, what we have to do? R2 gives R2 minus 2 into R1. Again R3 gives R3 minus 3 into R1. Again R4 gives R4 minus 6 into R1, isn't it? So, R1 as it is. So, R1 as it is means 1, 1. Minus 2, 0. Next one each and every time into 2, isn't it? Into 2, into 2. So, 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Again 1 into 2 true, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Here minus 2 into 2 minus 4, we have common minus here also, minus into minus plus, 1 plus 4 is equal to positive 5, again 0. Then third, what we have to do, third one, each and every time into 3, into 3, into 3, into 3. 1 into 3, 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Again 1 into 3, 3, minus 7, minus 7, minus 3, so minus 10 will come. Next condition, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, we have common minus, so plus 6 will come. Again 10 plus 6 means 16. Next one, 0. Again into 6, isn't it? Into 6, into 6. So 1 into 6, 6, 6 minus 6, 0. There 1 into 6, 6, minus 9, minus 6, so minus 15. Next condition, minus 2 into 6, minus 12, we have common minus, so minus into minus plus, so 12 will come. Therefore 10 plus 12 means, there 10 is there, isn't it? So 10 plus 12 means 22, isn't it? So here also 0. Next what we have to do, next one, when starting the non-zero is second row, under the 2 term we have to show 0. Okay, what we have to do, so R3 gives R3 minus 2 into R2, again R4 gives R4 minus 3 into R2. So R1 R2 as it is, 1 1 minus 2 positive 0 will come, 0 minus 5 minus 5 0. Next into 3, first one into 2, sorry my dear, into 2, here also into 2. So minus 10, here also minus 5 into 2, minus 10 will come, we have common minus, so plus, so minus 10 plus 10 means 0 will come. Next one, there actually 5 into 2, 10 will come, 16 minus 10, so positive 6, isn't it? Next condition, there look at there 3 will come, because row 4 each and everything consider for 3 into R2, here also 3, here also 3. So minus 5 into 3 minus 15, so minus 15 plus 15, why common minus is this, so minus into minus plus 15, therefore minus 15 plus 15 means 0 will come. Next condition, 5 3s are 15, so 22 minus 15, there is 7 will come, so 0 0. Next what we have to do, so when starting the non-zero digits, third row under the term, so first we have to reduce the small number. What we have to do, R3 and R4, R3 divided by 6 as well as R4 divided by 7. So what will happen, 1 1 minus 2 0, 0 minus 5 positive 5 0, 0 0 1 0, again 0 0 1 0 will come. Next one, it will be very easy, to become a 0 under the fourth row. So R4 gives R4 minus R3, isn't it? R1, R2, R3 also as it is, 1 1 minus 2 0, then 0 minus 5 positive 5 0, 0 0 1 0, 0 0 0 0 will come, because 1 minus 1 will be 0 will come. This is considered for rank of A. This is whole term considered for rank of A with O, isn't it? So first we have to check it. Rank of A is equal to how many non-zero row is there? 1, 2, 3 is there. Then rank of A with O also, see look at there, completely 0 row, non-zero row, third row also non-zero, but fourth row completely 0 row. Here also 3 will come. So number of unknowns also, number of unknowns. Number of unknowns is equal to 3. So everything will be equal, no? So rank of A and rank of A with O equal to number of unknowns. Now we can say it is a trivial solution, but already I told you one important condition. First we have to check it. So determinant A term also not equal to 0. So determinant A I will consider for first 3 equation. Okay, this 3 equation, what will happen? So positive 1 means minus 3 into 10, minus 30, cross multiply means positive 7. Next condition, minus 1 will come. So minus 1 means row and column skip means what will happen? And column 2 into 10, 20. Again cross multiply means 3 into 1, minus 3. Last term, minus 2 is there. Minus 2 means 2 into minus 7, minus 14, isn't it? Minus 14 cross multiply means positive 9. So 1 into minus 30 plus 7 means minus 23. Minus 1 means 20 minus 3, 17. Minus 2 means minus 14 plus 9. So definitely minus 5 will come. So minus 23 minus 17, there is plus 10 will come, isn't it? So minus 23 minus 17 means minus 14, minus 40, then plus 10. Answer definitely minus 30 means not equal to 0 means A inverse also exists. So if it exists means then it has a unique solution. It has a unique solution. X is equal to 0, Y also 0, then Z also 0. How? Already I told you the last condition, each and every term, O term always 0 term. So if it considers Z is equal to 0 means consider for the method back substitution, definitely second row also completely 0. So Y also 0 means if you apply the first row also again, if it Y and Z 0 means X also will be 0 will come. That's why I have written X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0. Therefore it is trivial solution. It is trivial solution. Okay. So I hope you understand, my dear students. I am moving to next example 1.38. So 1.38 question, determine the value of lambda for which the following system of equation, given 3 equation, but the condition, one of the important, has a non-trivial solution. The last 2 example, each and every time trivial solution means the condition, what did he say, the A inverse, that is a determinant A not equal to 0, that is called trivial solution. But here non-trivial solution. So first condition definitely we can say determinant A is equal to 0. The condition is like that because you have to be allowed, okay, what is the difference between non-trivial and trivial. So again I am telling you, so non-trivial solution means determinant A not equal to 0. Okay, then trivial solution means determinant A not equal to 0. Okay, so we have to rearrange like the determinant form. So the condition determinant A, first equation, what is the equation? 3 lambda minus 8, then 3 positive 3. Next condition 3, again 3 lambda minus 8, 3. Again 3 lambda minus 8. Condition as a non-trivial solution means is equal to 0. What we need actually to find lambda, isn't it? Determine the lambda. So again, first one, R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So R2 or R3 as it is. What is R2 actually? 3 lambda minus 8, 3. So 3 lambda minus 8. R1 condition, R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 8, minus 2 will come. So here 3 lambda minus 2 each and every time. Here also 3 lambda minus 2. How? Look at there. R1 plus R2. Again 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 8, minus 2. 3 lambda minus 2. Here also 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 8, minus 2. So 3 lambda minus 2. So again 3 lambda minus, this is equal to 0. Again 3 lambda minus 2 take common outside means what will happen? So 3 lambda minus 2 take common outside, 1, 1, 1, then 0, sorry my dear, there 3 no, 3 lambda minus 8, 3 lambda minus 8 equal to 0. Next what we have to do? So if you begin any row of first 2 times, okay, I will consider for the first row, the first 2 times to become a 0 means, then to expanding along with the C3 means it will be very easy to find out the determinant term. So what we have to do, C1 gives C1 minus C2, then C2 gives C2 minus C3. See, it will become 0 any one of the first two times. Look at there, because 1 minus 1, see, C1 gives outside common term is there 3 lambda and minus 2, isn't it? So 1 C1 completely C1 comparing with the C2, C1 minus C2, 1 minus 1 0. Next condition, look at there. Next condition 3 minus, here completely minus means plus 3 lambda means minus 3 lambda, minus 8 means positive 8, again 3 plus 8 11, so 11 minus 3 lambda, there you can write it 11 minus 3 lambda. Then next one, sorry my dear, here no, C1 11 minus 3 lambda. Then the next condition C1 minus C2, 3 minus 3 means 0 will come. The next one C2 completely C2 with comparing C3 minus C2 minus C. So again 1 minus 1 also 0. Here look at there 3 lambda minus 8 and minus 3. Again 3 lambda minus 8 minus 3 means minus 11. There 3 lambda minus 11. Next condition, there 3 is there. 3 minus 3 minus 3 lambda minus 8 means plus 8. Again 3 plus 8 11 minus 3 lambda. So 11 minus 3 lambda. C3 as it is 1 3 3 lambda minus 8. Now it will be easy, no? This is considered equal to 0, isn't it? So now look at there. So now to expanding along with the C3 means if you skip row and column of 1 means only comparing 4 times. So definitely the cross multiply also will be 0 is there. So we have only one solution, 11 minus 3 lambda the whole square. Outside we have common 3 lambda minus 2 into 11 minus 3 lambda. How to expand along with C3, isn't it? Is equal to 0 outside because has a non-trivial solution. So if you make separate means 3 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0, first condition. So 11 minus 3 lambda the whole square means equal to 0. So 3 lambda minus 2 bring it opposite side means positive 2. Therefore lambda is equal to 2 by 3. First one. Second condition, 11 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. So therefore we can say no, 11 is equal to 3 lambda. Therefore lambda is equal to 11 by 3. This is also one of the condition. Okay. So this is our final term because to determine the value of lambda we have the two different type of the solution. So this is our final answer. Okay. So please listen, one of the important 5 mark question. Okay, will be a lot. So first you have to understand what is the difference between trivial and non-trivial. Okay. So I hope you understand the questions. I will continue one of the important next example, Gaussian elimination method to apply. Okay, the chemical reaction rule. Okay, will be stay on. So one of the important 5 mark questions, example 1.39, Gaussian elimination method balancing the chemical reaction equation. So what is the given equation? So C5H8 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. I will consider for the positive integers different type. First to consider x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay. So positive integers x1, x2, x3 and x4. So this is we can say number of unknowns is equal to, this is totally what is the name? Number of unknowns. Okay. So number of unknowns is equal to 4. How to react the each and every one? x1, then x2 gives x3, x4. x1 consider what is the value? C5H8 plus x2 O2, then x3 CO2 plus x4 H2O. Okay. So now after considering the number of unknowns each and every time, first when C compare on both sides, when compare C on both sides, when compare C on both sides, What will happen? C on both sides means there is C, how many times is there? 5. Then comparing the unknowns, 5x1, here nothing, 5x1 is equal to opposite side, C only 1 times is there, is x3. And how to rearrange? First equation, 5x1 minus x3 is equal to 0. Okay, then this is called equation number 1. Next one, when compare h on both side. H on both side means what will happen? There is how many times? 8 times. So 8 x1, there is nothing, is equal to opposite side 2 times is there, isn't it? So 2 x4, both side even number, cancel means 4 and 1. Again how to rearrange? 4x1 minus x4 is equal to 0, called equation number 2. Then when O, isn't it? When compare O on both side, 2 with the comparing 2x2, isn't it? 2x2 is equal to, here 2 times there, 2x3, then only 1 times is there, plus x4. Then how to rearrange? 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0, called equation number 3. So now each and every time, right, it we need. Then first equation, what is the first equation? 5x1 minus x3 is equal to 0. Then second equation, 4x1 minus x4 is equal to 0. Then third equation, 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0. Then original equation also we need, that is original equation, this is our original term. When you add the number of unknown, that is called, so x1 just add it here, this is called original equation. Okay, OE, original x1 C5 8, then x2 O2, isn't it? x2 O2, then next one x3 CO2, last condition x4, isn't it? x4 H2O, this is we need. So listen very carefully. Now rewrite the equation form. What is equation? 5x1 is there, x2 and x3 nothing, so write it 0 and x3 is there, isn't it? x3 minus 1, x4 0, then 0. Next one 4x1, so 4, x2 also 0, x3 also 0, x4 minus 1. Next condition, true, sorry, x1 0, isn't it? 0, then x2 true, x3 minus 2, x4 minus 1, 0, 0. So now to utilizing the row echelon form, what is the meaning? When starting the non-zero digit under the third row already we have 0, second row only we have to show to become a 0. What we have to do? So R2 gives 5 into R2 minus 4 into R1. R1, R3 also as it is 5, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. Next condition, 0, true, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Here multiply into 5, there 4. Here 4, here 5. So 4 into 5, 20. 20 minus 20, 0 will come. There is nothing to 0. Here common minus, here also common minus, plus will come. 0 plus 4 means positive 4. Next condition, minus 1 into 5, minus 5 will come, isn't it? Minus 1 into 5, there is 0 comparing, isn't it? Sorry my dear, this is 0, but here will come, what is the value? Positive 4. Next one, minus 5 only will come, because row 1 there is nothing to number. Then minus 5, here also 0. Then first row is clear, under this term, starting under the 2 terms 0. When starting the non-zero is second row, but second row if you rearrange means it will be easy. to become under the term 0. So, what we have to do? R2 interchange R3. R2 interchange R3. R1 as it is. R1 5 0 minus 1 0 0. Next one 0 2 minus 2 minus 1 0. Again 0 0 4 minus 5 0. So listen. Now this is called row echelon form. No, see, when starting the non-zero digit first row under the 2 times 0, then second row under the term also 0, left side also 0. So right side we no need to look at there, whatever the number. So left side and under the term also 0. That is a row echelon form concept. So now we have to rearrange. No, so this is considered for rank of A. This is whole term considered for rank of A with O. So now the rank of A, how many non-zero row? 1, 2, 3. Then rank of A with O, how many non-zero row? Here also 3. But number of unknowns, 4 unknowns. So number of unknowns is equal to 4. Therefore, rank of A is equal to rank of A with O less than 4, because less than, no, comparing number of unknowns. Therefore, it is consistency. It is consistency. It is consistency with infinitely many solution. With infinitely many solution which has one parameter solution. One parameter solution. Then we have to consider, no, equating the concept. First one 5x1 minus x3 is equal to 0, called question number 1. Second one 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0, consider for question number 2. Third one 4x3 minus 5x4 is equal to 0, consider for equation number 3. So let x4 consider for t, means what will happen? 4 3, if you take 3 means what will happen? 4x3 then minus 5t is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x3 is equal to positive 5t, means what is the value of x3? 5 by 4 into t. Okay, x3 also over. x4 we are consider for t. Okay, because we have taken now one parameter which has one parameter family solution, that's a considering only one constant. x4 is equal to t. Then x4 is equal to t. Then from true what will happen? True, what is the equation? 2x2 minus 2x3 minus x4 is equal to 0. Again 2x2 minus x3 value 5 by 4 into t, 5 by 4 into t minus t is equal to 0. 4 and 2 times. Again 2x2 minus 5 by 2t minus t is equal to 0. Again 2x2, comparing cross multiply means that is common denominator 2, means what will happen? Minus of minus 2t minus 5t minus 2t means minus 7t by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x2 minus 7t by 2 bring out opposite side means positive 7t by 2. Therefore, x2 is equal to 7 by 4. 2 into 2 4, 7 by 4 into t. So x2 also clear. Now we need only one term, that is called first equation, isn't it? So first equation means what will happen? 5x1 minus x3 is equal to, already we found 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 t is equal to 0. Therefore 5x1 is equal to, bring out opposite side means positive 5 by 4 t. So 5 cancel. So definitely x1 is equal to t by 4. So x1 also clear. Then x3 is equal to what is the value? 5 by 40. Then x2 7 by 40. Then x4 is equal to, already we consider for t, isn't it? So now this is each and every time the integer equation is the fraction term. So we have to take it, if you make the whole number means what you have to do, at least t consider for t is equal to 4 means what will happen, look at there. So t is equal to 4. So t is equal to 4 means, so x1 is equal to 4 by 4, value will be 1. Then x2 is equal to, x2 is equal to, instead of t, if you apply for 4 means 4 cancel, x2 is equal to 7. Then x3 is equal to, there getting the 4 means again 4 cancel, 5 will come. Then x4 means, already we know, consider for t means x4 value will be 4. So now we can write now the original equation. What is our original equation? Original equation, x1 C5, x1 C5H8 plus x2 O2 gives x3 CO2 plus x4 H2O. Now we can write now balancing the chemical reaction. x1 is equal to what is the value 1. Therefore final answer C5H8, x2 is equal to 7. 7 O2 gives x3 value 5. So 5 CO2, then x4 is equal to 4. 4 H2O. This is our needful final line. Okay.